Today's world is facing many challenges. One of them is food waste. With automation, we make it possible to face this problem. What if we could turn any organic waste into nutritious soil in 24 hours?
My name is Daniel. I'm the food and beverage manager here at Radisson Blu Scandinavia. We're truly proud and happy that we can be a big part of the sustainability with our restaurant Nordic kitchen. We have more or less zero waste, we could say, because we work with local producers and locally produced and at least naturally produced. Everything all the waste that we have goes back into the compost machine and then goes back into with our producers like Lilla Jordbruket in the stad of Göteborg. Goes back into the nature and to produce what we actually use it. Truly happy about that. We have a waste in total around 70 to 100 kilos a day.
Why did you invest in this solution?
Primarily because of sustainability and the work of responsible business that we do.
Where did you get compost machines?
We got the compost machine from Solserv. It's a great thing because it's helped us to reduce our food waste with almost 100%.
My name is Patrick Johansen. I'm the CEO and founder of Solserv. We are at Solserv headquarters in Sweden. Solserv provide a circular solution with a composting solution to our customer, where they convert food waste into a high potent fertilizer in 24 hours, reducing 90% of the food waste. Our clients are from the small customer, from restaurant, hotels like Radisson Blu, up to big food processors, community, waste company. And we can offer solutions from 5 kilo per day to 1.5 ton per day. But we can also have big facility with pre-treatment equipment, so we're from 5 ton to 500 ton per day. Our client can use the compost mass, the fertilizer, to use in their own garden. They can use it to grow vegetables. They can also use it together with a partner who grow some vegetables for them, like Radisson Blu up in Gothenburg. And they use the vegetables in the production of the food in their restaurant. Today we have a huge problem in the world with food waste. The food waste many times go to landfills, creating a lot of methane gas, and we have a really weak soil in our field today. And with our solution, we can help take care of the food waste, converting that to a high potent fertilizer and rise up the nutrition in our soil and help the future food production. We are very proud that together with our partner, such Mitsubishi Electric, we develop our composting solution, which lead to a more sustainable future. The composting process wouldn't be possible without automation and a reliable partner.
At Mitsubishi Electric, we are proud that our technology helps create a more sustainable future, not only for the industries, but also for the societies. Together with our partners, we make it possible for our customers to reduce their food waste to zero.